Hello, today we're going to take a look at the exit ticket system Zeal. This system is great for one-to-one classrooms, whether they are Chromebooks, laptops, iPads, or any other tablet, or for a bring your own device classroom as well. Everything on here is web-based, so any device that can connect to the internet should be able to use Zeal. Getting started could not be any simpler. All you have to do is go to zeal.com, Z-E-A-L, and enter in your email address and create a password. And for the teacher, that's it for getting signed up. After you sign up for an account, it's going to have you make a profile. And you need to select which grade you teach, as well as if you are math, ELA, or both. Zeal is set up for the Common Core standards. There are over 15,000 pre-made exit tickets to align with the math and ELA courses. So we'll go ahead and just select one here. We'll go ahead and, as always, read the terms and conditions, and then if you agree to everything, go ahead and submit. And the first time you log in, it's going to take you through a quick little tutorial to let you see what it looks like for teachers and students. So start the exit ticket. This is what it would look like for the teacher. They would see the live results. All their students listed here. Green is correct answers, red is incorrect, and we have individual scores as well as the class summary score. Now let's try it as a student. Okay, here we go. Students have the option to have the questions read to them, and there's also a tool to draw if needed. So we'll take a look at the question. Here's the image. Here is the question itself. And we'll go ahead and give the answer. And you can hear it ding. And there's for a correct answer. Well, let's go ahead and get one wrong here. You notice it's a different tone for an incorrect answer. Okay, and the student can see here that they had the first and third correct, and the middle one was incorrect. You can see over here new results are available to the teacher. This is the screen that was coming up. Okay. So you can see the questions are a little out of order, but we still are getting the data that we need. Okay, so now let's take a look at setting up our own class. So we'll go ahead and create a new class. And here you can select if it's a different grade level. So if you teach multiple grade levels, you can have a class set up for each one. And you can choose Math ELA or one or the other. So I'll just go ahead and do grade 4. And let's try ELA. And then we can copy and paste each student onto a new line if you have a roster typed up somewhere else, or you can manually type in here. Okay. I just have some random names that I threw in there. So now we can see here we are in the Class 4 ELA, and here is my class code. So what we'll do is go ahead and assign one of these. and you can either preview and edit, or you can start the exit ticket. So you can adjust the questions that they have already made, or you can just go ahead and get started. So now this is the teacher's view when an exit ticket is open to the students. Here's a list of all the students, and let's go ahead and do a side-by-side. Okay, to do the side-by-side here, we're going to have a window open for the teacher view and one for the student view. So what you're going to instruct your students to do is on their internet-enabled device, open up a web browser and go to zeal.com. Then up in the top right corner, there's a spot for them to type in their class code. So on your screen, it's right here. So you can write that on the board, or it's short enough that you could just verbally tell the students. They click on go, and then they will be met with either typing in their name or selecting from the list. After they click their name, they select if they are boy or girl. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a little bit. And here is the exit ticket. You'll notice there's a timer up here. There's also their profile picture and some numbers up here. That'll make a little bit more sense in a little bit. So we'll go ahead and start. Now I am in as Brad O'Brien. Now if we take a look over here, it should be popping up any second now. And you can see now it popped up, and the teacher can see class summary. There's only one student logged in, so that's why it's at 100%. Now as the student has answered the one question for the exit ticket, they have gained 1 point. Here's their level. They can do keep racing, so they can keep answering questions. And they can keep reinforcing these skills. Let's go ahead and get one wrong here. Okay, I went through 5 questions, and you can see I can earn coins to level up. And I got 4 coins because I had 4 correct answers. So here I am at level 1. You can also see the leaderboard for your class. Now that I have done the exit ticket for my teacher, I can see my level and how many coins I've earned. I can work on some other things, or I can also visit the store. And kids will get a kick out of this. This is why I had you choose boy or girl at the beginning. The student can then go and edit their picture. And kids will have a blast doing that. I'll go ahead and save it. And then what you'll also notice is on the teacher view, you can now see the avatar that the student made for themselves. So if we go into the store, you can see that the students with the points that they have earned can get different things for their avatar. So the kids really love to be able to personalize it like that. Okay, so let's finish with the student view. That's it for this video. Okay, now on the teacher view, what we can see is exit tickets, which is the one we have here. And we also have reports. This is where it gets great for adjusting your lesson plans and seeing where students are at. Here we can see a week view on their progress for the week, their percentage, how many questions they answered. And we can also do proficiency. So if we scroll over, we can see the standard that we have worked with, and as you can see, they're all on here. And we also have colors. Here's the legend: no data, not ready, ready, or mastered. We also have activity up here, and that is the week-long view. So pretty simple and easy to get up and running in no time with this in your classroom, and the students enjoy it. It is definitely an engaging activity. Plus, for you as the teacher, it gives you that data you need to make your lessons better with very little time and effort on your end to get up and running. So that's it for today. Hope you give it a shot. Thank you.